All right, guys, I had to hop on here. B&H has done it again. I can't stress enough how thankful I am to their speed of shipping and their process, right? Today is June 24th. Canon told me and told the world that the ship date for the new R6V and the new lens coming with it, the 20 to 50 f4 power zoom, was going to start shipping today, June 24th. Well, I got my shipment notification yesterday from B&H on the 23rd, and here it is. Okay, this is the day it's supposed to start shipping. So I'm excited. I'm not one of those big content creators yet that's getting these things early to review. This is mine. I bought it, and I'm going to do a lot of reviews, and I'm going to utilize this thing. It needs to own up to the hype because I'm going to take this to Italy with me in September. This is going to be my main camera. I can't say it's going to be my only because I'm going to take the V1 and maybe another pocket or something like that to vlog with, but this is going to be my main camera when I'm shooting over there. I wanted to jump on here quick and do a quick unboxing for you and show you exactly what's in the box. So I did get the creator kit that comes with the 20 to 50 f4 zoom. So let's go through this together. I haven't opened it. It's super late. I wanted to get into this thing. I had a lot of stuff to do today, but I want to get this out before everybody else starts getting theirs. So obviously we get the handbook there. Whoop-de-doo. Here is the new battery. Sorry, this isn't new, but this is new to me. This is the LPE6P right there. Let me just throw that in the floor quick. Something you need to know about this camera and these batteries, if you have some of the old ones, the LPE6 NH, LH, or just the P, or just the LPE6, you won't get all the full functionality out of this camera. The active cooling, I think you can't do. A couple other limitations to it. These are backwards compatible with all the other cameras. And this is not a review, just unboxing. Here we go. And what else did we get in here? We have the standard Canon lens pouch that comes with every single Canon lens. I probably have 20 of these things. Open it up. Got our next strap, the Canon R6V. You have another one of the standard Canon battery chargers. We have some more cardboard. We have the actual R6V body itself. Let me pull this bad boy out of this cheesecloth, and there it is. Not that I like doing that, there's the sensor in its full glory. Okay, let's put that back on, because that makes me nervous. And here is the 20 to 50 power zoom, and that is all for the box. You take this out of its cheesecloth too. It's really not cheesecloth. I don't know why I'm saying that. Here is the 20 to 50 power zoom, and this thing weighs absolutely nothing. All right, so I wanted to get rid of some of this stuff here. Okay, here's the R6V, my first impressions. Lighter than I thought it would be. It feels like it has a bigger grip on it than like the old school, something like, let me take this lens off of here. So this is the Canon EOS R. This is the R6V. Here's a size comparison. This is the normal average size. The R6V actually feels a little bit bigger in my hand, which I don't mind at all, but it definitely feels lighter. Now, given I don't have a battery in it, comparison, okay, that's more comparable. So the battery in it certainly makes the difference. Here's the Canon, this is the EF24 at f1.4. This is the power zoom. See, they're about the same size. Power zoom's just a little bit bigger. Really nothing to write home about. So here is the full setup. Here is the R6V with the 20 to 50 power zoom. And this is, move this over, this here, it's everything that comes in the box. Stay tuned for more reviews. This thing is going to be my main camera for my trip in Italy. It's going to be vlogging. super light. I got a couple months for this thing to prove itself before I take it to Italy to be my full-time shooter. So stay tuned for further reviews, and I will catch you guys in the next one.